Hey guys, Anamia here. And before I leave for MegaCon and also to go to China, for Beijing Comic Con, I thought that I would do a quick unboxing video from MunchPak. As you guys know, and I apologize for my voice being so scratchy. That's what happens when you have like 4 cons in a row and then more. As you guys know, this is one of my favorite subscription boxes just because it's kind of fun to do. You have no idea what you're going to get in this thing. So to start off with, it says, "Hola, Adventurous Eater. This MunchPak was made with lots of love by Aubrey." So, thank you, Aubrey, in advance for all this interesting stuff that I'm going to taste. Alright, so starting off, we have chicken macho teriyaki ramen. So it kind of looks like fried ramen. I'm guessing it's going to be chicken flavor. It's Korean. Can't be all bad. I should know this. Okay. It's like fried ramen. Kind of teriyaki flavor. Really crunchy. Not bad. Okay. Good start. It goes in the keep pile. Alright. This one's kind of cute. Meow, 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 I don't know, it's got my name in it, so I'm kind of excited about it. I don't know how you say it, but green pea snack. I am not normally a veggie person, but for the sake of science, I will try this. If I can open it. Good thing I'm a cosplayer and I have like 5 million pairs of scissors everywhere. See, who thought that green peas would be an idea for a chip anyway? See? No. No. Vegetables, other than potatoes, should not be snacks. I'm gonna go back to the wrong one. I may have my name on it, but it's not that good. Alright. Verbena. Now, is there like a sheet in here that tells me what the hell this stuff is? I don't think so. Okay. So it looks like some sort of flower. Rose hip. Rose hip is something for like old people, right? Rose hip. Actually, that's pretty good. Where's the problem? It looks like Russian or Slovenia. I think it's good actually. So rose hip, that goes in the good pile. Alright. Kiki. If you've ever seen RuPaul's Drag Race, Kiki. Alright. Product of Croatia. Interesting. So it's some sort of strawberry candy. It's like a Starburst. Kind of what it looks like. Looks like a Starburst. It's like a strawberry Starburst. Okay. Kind of weird how strawberry tastes, like artificial strawberry, tastes a little bit different in every country. Okay. It's just like a strawberry. And it takes a lot of time to chew. Okay. Okay, I just swallowed it. Alright, so this next one, I have no idea where it's from. If anyone can read that. Alright, that's upside down, so that probably doesn't help you guys. I don't know what it is. Like some sort of like cookie biscuit thing. I was expecting a sweet. More like a cracker. But there's some sort of something in it. Wheat, rye, barley. I don't know what's in it. It's very weird. It's kind of bland. It's like something elves would eat in a Hobbit. Like, I feel like this is what they took around with them that like lasted forever. Oh god. It's like a dense saltine. Okay. Not bad. Not really flavorful. Alright. Eugenia Jr. It was really kind of scary looking beat. Oh my god. I'm like still spitting out that cracker. So this is from Romania. Ooh, this is gonna be sweet. It's like a cracker. Filling. Okay, that's good. Weird savory cracker. Nice. Biscuity. Sweet cracker. This feels weird. Lubisi. I recognize the word banana, maybe? This is always such a crapshoot on what everything is. Warskawa. So a lot of these have been from like Eastern Europe. But here's the thing. It's very... Oh god. I'm dropping it. Ah. It's like a little sponge cake. See? It's kind of like a little Debbie's cake snack. Like a Twinkie. Like a Twinkie bear, but without the cream stuffing. I realize with these videos, you guys just see me like talking with my mouth full all the time. Alright. So then, I got some old-fashioned taffy. Whoa. Okay, I'm gonna save that for last, or else I won't get that out of my mouth. Alright, this looks, it's Princessa. Which kind of looks like, and I'm not going to eat it because it has chocolate. But it kind of looks like a Kit Kat, but with Nutella in it. So that might actually be really interesting. And the last thing is obviously Korean, because I recognize the writing. It's Cola Candy. Cola, that's Cola Candy. Cola Candy. So Cola candies. Except instead of like the gummy ones that I had last time, it looks like these are like really hard candies. Oh, pretty good. Hard candy. Well, not bad. So pretty much I like everything that was in here, except for the weird ass green pea thing, because that's just unnatural. Overall, I like this one. Not all crazy like the last one where I had like super hot stuff. But this was good. So yeah, check out MunchPak. I love this thing. It's a way to try. Alright. It's a way to try a bunch of different foods from countries around the world. And you don't have to eat it all at one time like I do for these videos. But you get some great stuff in there. So check it out, MunchPak. And thanks guys. See you later.